In a city with no justice,
There is no justice!
two brothers will join forces to take back their city. Discharged from the force.
Chief, Cock and Hawk are here to see you.
Send him in, Debbie. You boys have got explaining to do.
Whoa, Chief. What's going on here?
You guys blew up half the city. I got the DA coming down on my ass because of you two.
It's just part of the job.
Part of the job?
That's how we roll, Chief.
How you roll? You guys give me your badges and your guns now. You're off the streets.
We don't need guns or badges.
But that won't stop them. Mr. Big is on the loose with drugs.
Ooh! That's the boss.
Hello?
Hey, Catherine. I heard Mr. Biggs dropping the deuce tonight.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a big load. I'm gonna go dig up whatever I can find.
You gonna get in there?
Let's put it this way, if I have to go balls deep, I will.
I like to hear that. You're getting dirty. You're a dirty girl, aren't you?
Only when I gotta be, sir. Hold on, boss. I gotta put on my wig for a second. Just hold on.
Okay, boss. I'm ready to go.
Oh, Catherine. It's what you do to me.
With Mr. Big back on the streets, Chief has to hire Cock and Hawk.
You ready to ride, partner? Kimi. Whoa, Kimosabi. Think I'm gonna let you drive my 69 Charger? Come on!
God damn it, Hawk, it's the GMC!
Cock and Hawk are back to running the streets.
I don't see any trouble going on down here. Oh, you gotta love downtown. You can just smell the scum hiding around every alley. Left turn. Oh, the suburbs. Suburbia.
Hey, isn't that the meth lab we busted the other day?
Oh yeah. Those guys didn't know what the hell hit them.
The deal is going down.
What's up?
Big's cargo arrived 20 minutes ago.
Where at?
Pier 27.
Let's ride.
This fall, meet two unlikely heroes.